Hi everyone. Hi people. Every day I'm explaining a concept. I'm recording video consistently. Today I obsessed a lot. Am I fumbling? Yes, I am fumbling. It's okay. Before recording this video, I think multiple times to record a video. Because I obsessed a lot. Obsession is for growth. I know it. But obsession is something hit you, is something will show your negative thoughts. No matter what, I want to be consistent and be disciplined. So I fumble a lot. I fumble a lot. I fumble a lot. I stumble a lot. I mispronounce a lot. I didn't speak clearly. I take pauses. I didn't form a clear sentence. I didn't explain concepts clearly. It's me. But I don't want to be like that. I want to become an articulate communicator. I want to express my ideas clearly. I don't want to fumble, ramble or stumble. I just want to speak clear. To speak clear, I need to reduce my fear and anxiety. I need to interact with multiple people. To interact with multiple people, I need a chance of getting anything like a job. If I get a job, I have a chance to interact with my team members, and then I will go outside of my village and I will interact with multiple people. I can communicate with within that society. I can speak to more people. I can grasp information. I can grasp information about my potentiality, my future, my career, about what I need. Okay, so I'm going to explain Terraform concepts. Terraform state file. A Terraform state file is a JSON file. It is a single source of truth for Terraform. Terraform uses the state files to map resources that are defined in configuration files as desired state against the actual infrastructure that is managed by the Terraform. Terraform state files track the resources metadata and dependencies to create an accurate plan for creating, updating, and deleting the infrastructure. Terraform is critical for detecting drifts and ensure changes that are applied clearly, that are applied correctly. That's what about Terraform. That's what about Terraform state file. Remote backends. Remote backends are used to store the state files. It facilitates collaboration, provide central and shared location for the team members for the state files to access by all the team members. Remote backends like AWS S3 provide security at rest. It provides an server-side encryption enabled and versioning with rollback capabilities. AWS, or to access the backend files or to access the AWS backend state files, AWS tightly controlled by AWS IAM resource policies. AWS IAM resource-based policies. So to access the S3 files, AWS explicitly provide an resource-based IAM policy. So it's the best approach to store the state file across central shared location on the S3 bucket rather than storing it in locally. Terraform.tfvars. .tfvars file is a file used to configure the variables or to pass input variables. These files are named as terraform.tfvars or .auto.tfvars. These files are critical for setting up the configuration. Using these files, Terraform maintain and manage infrastructure across multiple environments through cloud providers. Terraform workspaces. Terraform workspaces are used to work across multiple environments like dev, staging, and production. There is no need of working at one workspace. Terraform workspace by default create and state file. It doesn't interact with the other workspace or other environment. So one single Terraform configuration plus one state file plus all .tf files are going to provision infrastructure to one environment working on one tool. Terraform configuration files. Terraform benefits are like infrastructure as code, improve the deployment speed and efficiency through automation. So that's it. I just spoke out and I just explained what I get into my mind. I just speak out. I know I didn't sound clearly, I didn't explain clearly, but I want to sound clearly. I want to explain clearly. So I stay consistent. I will write more. I will practice more. I will take actions. I want to improve my communication skills. I want to explain clearly. Thank you. Everything will be fine.